Good day, teacher. My name is Nicolás Riascos. In this moment, I go to talk about the different photo about journalism. In this product, I have 5 photos. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. The photo number 1, I was with my student. They take a picture with me. In this photo, I am very important because they are all for me. In photo number 2, I was with my partner. We are playing soccer. In the photo number 3, in this moment, I go to work and the company in Lopez Cauca. In photo number 4, I am with my friends. We're drinking wine and juice. In this moment, we ate chicken with rice and salad. In photo number 5, I am with my friends. They are a teacher too. We are drinking all the night because we are celebrating a party, a happy party. Okay, teacher. Thank you very much. See you later.